Sweet Squad, welcome back to another video. Today I'm vlogging my entire day because I'm going to Murree, and so are with me.
Hey.
Here's Hashir, and here's Subhan, and then here's Taha.
Gaming with you.
And we're about to go in the car, and I will update you guys when I, go in the car. Guys, just look at the view. It's such a beautiful sunny day. I just love it. Here's our car. And I just, love it. That's Taha. Sorry if he's annoying you. But yeah, it's so beautiful. Okay guys, so I'm in Murree now. I already told you it's really cold. I'm wearing a jacket, and yeah, we're just playing and the view is so beautiful. I will show you the view in 3, 2, 1. Like guys, it is so beautiful. I told you. Yeah, there's like a forest. It's this big ground. It's a forest. Then there's a way to go up there. Here's my house I'm staying in. And yeah, that's also tons of grounds back there, and here are some stairs. Then we go down, and yep, it's so beautiful.